Hello student. In previous session we will discuss about the parametric equation of the circle and how to find out the parametric equation of the circle and how to find out different points or coordinates of the point on a circumference of the circle. Now in today's session we will discuss about the parametric equation of the ellipse. So all of you know what is the ellipse. Ellipse is a conic curve and it has two main, as a circle has a center and a radius. Similarly, ellipse has a center as well as it has two dimensions, that is its major axis and the minor axis. So in this session we will discuss about how we can find out the parametric equation of the ellipse and how we can find out the different points on the ellipse. Okay, so suppose this is my coordinate system. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is z-axis. And this is my ellipse. This is center of the ellipse. This is the center of the ellipse having the coordinates, suppose xc, yc, and zc. This is the center of the ellipse. Denoted by the PC, XC, YC and ZC are the X, Y, Z coordinates of the center of the ellipse. Okay, so this total distance is denoted by A and this is called the major axis of the ellipse. Major axis of the ellipse, and this vertical distance is denoted by B and it is called as the this is total distance is 2A called as the major axis of the ellipse, and this vertical total distance is 2B, minor axis of the ellipse. So 2A is the major axis of the ellipse and 2B is the minor axis of the ellipse. And what is A? A is the semi-major axis and B is the semi-minor axis of the ellipse. So, what is the equation of the ellipse? Suppose I consider here is a point P and it's having the coordinates x, y, z. So, what is the coordinates of this point x, y, z? So, x is equal to xc plus a into cos of u. Xc is equal to xc plus a into cos of u, where a is the semi-major axis of the ellipse and y is equal to yc plus b into sin of u, where b is the semi-minor axis of the ellipse, and z is equal to zc, and here the value of u is varying from 0 to 2 pi. The value of u is varying from 0 to 2 pi. Okay. So this is the first case where ellipse. This is an ellipse and having a semi-major axis as a and semi-minor axis as a b, and this is the parametric equation of the ellipse. Okay. Now second case is that when this ellipse is inclined to its x-axis with an angle alpha, suppose this is my coordinate system x, y and z, and this is my ellipse. This is major axis of the ellipse. This is minor axis of the ellipse, and here is the center of the ellipse, that is PC, having a coordinate xc, yc, and zc. Having the coordinates xc, yc, zc, and this ellipse is inclined to the x-axis with an angle alpha. Here, this ellipse is inclined at an angle alpha with the means the major axis of the ellipse is inclined to the angle alpha to the ellipse, and here is the point P. Here is point P having the coordinate x, y, and z. Having the coordinates x, y, z. Now I want to find out the equation of the ellipse or parametric equation of the ellipse to find out the coordinates of this point P, x, y, z. P, x, y, z. Let's see here. I will explain once again. This is an ellipse having a major axis is a 2a, minor axis is a 2b. Center of the ellipse is PC having a coordinates x, c, yc, and zc. And this ellipse is inclined to at an angle alpha with the x-axis. This ellipse is inclined to at an angle alpha with the x-axis, and I want to find out the coordinates of this point P on an ellipse, and its coordinates is x, y, and z. So how we can find out the coordinates of this point? So here is a parametric equation which is formulated that x is equal to xc plus a into cos of u into cos of alpha minus b into sin of u into sin of alpha. X is equal to xc plus a into cos of u into cos of alpha minus b into sin of u into sin of alpha, and y is equal to yc plus a into cos of u into sin of alpha plus b into sin of u into cos of alpha. How we can write this equation? Let us see here. I will explain on top also. This is an ellipse. Here is a PC. Here is point P. Here is point P. Suppose this is my x-axis, this is my y-axis. So we need to find out this distance. This distance is for x coordinate. We need to find out this distance. So here is xc, and we need to this distance. So this distance is equal to a into cos of u into cos of alpha minus b into sin of u into sin of alpha. This distance, and then we need to find out this distance, this vertical distance. So this vertical distance is yc plus up to this is yc, and above this distance is a into cos of u into sin of alpha plus b into sin of u into cos of alpha. If we put the value of alpha and u here, we will get the coordinates of this point. But here the u is an independent parameter, or its value is varied. So similarly, z is equal to zc, and the value of u here is varying from 0 to 2 pi. 0 to 2 pi. So this is the equation of the ellipse when ellipse is inclined to at an angle alpha with the x-axis. Okay. So this is the parametric equation of the regular ellipse. and this is the parametric equation of the ellipse inclined to at an angle alpha with the x-axis. We will solve some numerical on this, so we will get a clear idea about it. Center of ellipse is right now it is parametric equation. Here they given an example, an ellipse having a major axis of 12 units and minor axis is 8 units. Inclination of the major axis is 30 degree with the x-axis. Center of the ellipse is 10, 5, 4 and write down the parametric equation of the ellipse. So what is the given here? They given the major axis. Major axis means 2a. The value of 2a is equal to 12 units, therefore A is equal to 6, and the value of minor axis is 8 units. Minor axis means 2b, the value of 2b is 8 units, therefore B is equal to 4. B is equal to 4, and they given that the inclination of the major axis means if we draw the diagram here, this is our ellipse and this major axis, this is the major axis of the ellipse and this is our x-axis. So this angle is equal to 30 degree. This angle is alpha, it is 30 degree. So alpha is 30 degree. Center of the ellipse, they given the coordinates of the center of the ellipse, that is PC is equal to 10, 5, 4. This is the ellipse. Now, so we have to find out the parametric equation of the ellipse. So parametric equation of the ellipse can be written as x is equal to xc plus a into cos of u into cos of alpha minus b into sin of u into sin of alpha. So put the value here, we will get x is equal to, what is the value of xc? xc is 10 into cos of u into cos of alpha. What is the value value of alpha? Alpha is 30. So cos of 30 here. Cos of 30 minus B, value of B is 4. Sorry. We will write x is equal to xc. xc is 10. So 10 plus value of a is 6. 6 into cos of u into cos of 30 minus what is the value of b? B is 4 here. So b into sin of u into sin of alpha. So 10 plus 6 into cos of 30. What is the value of cos of 30 is? Cos of 30 is 1/2. Sorry. Cos of 30 is root 3 by 2. So 6 into cos of u into root 3 by 2 minus 4 into sin of u, and value of sin of alpha is 1/2. Sin of alpha is here is 30. So it is 1/2. So x is equal to 10 plus 3 root 3 into cos of u minus 2 into sin of u. So this is the x coordinate. Similarly, we have to find out the y coordinate. Y is equal to yc plus a into cos of u into sin of alpha plus b into sin of u into cos of alpha. So what is the value of yc here? Yc is equal to 5 plus a is 6 cos of u remains same into sin of alpha. Alpha is 30 degree, sin of 30 is 1/2. Plus b is 4 into sin of u is remains same and cos of alpha. What is the value of cos of alpha? Alpha is 30 and cos of alpha is root 3 by 2. So it is equal to 5 plus 6 3 into cos of u plus 2 root 3 into sin of u. 2 root 3 into sin of u. Okay, and z is equal to zc, which is equal to 4. So what is the parametric equation of the ellipse? Parametric equation of the ellipse, that is x is equal to 10 plus 3 root 3 cos of u minus 2 into sin of u. Y is equal to 5 plus 3 into cos of u plus 2 root 3 into sin of u, and z is equal to 4. So this is the parametric equation of the ellipse where it is inclined 30 degree to the x-axis, means its major axis is inclined to the x-axis by 30 degree and having a center 10, 5, 4. Here the value of u is varying from 0 to 2 pi. The value of u is varying from 0 to 2 pi. So this is the overall solution of this numerical based on the ellipse. Now we will discuss how to find out the parametric equation of the parabola. Parametric equation of the parabola. So parabola is also one conic curve. This is our parabola. This is the vertex of the parabola PV having the coordinates xv, yv and z. And here is another point on the parabola having the coordinates x, y, z. X, y, z. Okay. So we have to find out the parametric equation of the parabola. That is, x is equal to, the parametric equation for the parabola is x is equal to xv plus a into u square. X is equal to xv plus a into u square. Y is equal to yv plus 2a into u, and z is equal to zv. And here the value of u is varying from 0 to infinity. The value of u is varying from 0 to infinity. So this is the equation of parametric equation of the parabola, having the coordinates of the vertices is xv, yv and z. Okay, and value of u is varying from 0 to 2 pi. Sorry, 0 to infinity. Similarly, we need to write the equation of hyperbola. Parametric equation of hyperbola. So hyperbola is also conical. It is, suppose this is the vertices of the parabola. Hyperbola, sorry. This is the asymptotes of the hyperbola. Here is our PV, XV, YV and ZV. Okay, and here is point P having the coordinates x, y, z. Having the coordinates x, y, z. PV is a point here. Okay, and this distance, this horizontal distance is A and this vertical distance is B. So parametric equation of the hyperbola is given by x is equal to xv plus a into cos of u. It is not cos, it is cos of u. Y is equal to yv plus b into sine of u, and z is equal to zc, and this value of u is varying from 0 to infinity. Value of u is varying from 0 to infinity. Sorry, it is not 5, it is 0 to infinity. Okay. So this is the parametric equation of the hyperbola. So generally in our syllabus, if there is a numerical, they will ask on a line, or it will be asked on a circle or a cone or a circular arc, or it will be asked on an ellipse. There are no numerical that is based on parabola and hyperbola, but only remember that equation of the parabola and hyperbola. For if there is MCQ based on parabola and hyperbola, they will ask the value of u. Here value of u is varying from 0 to infinity, and here also value of u is varying from 0 to infinity. The value of u, that is independent parameter u, is varying from 0 to infinity in a case of parabola and hyperbola. And in a case of circle or in a case of ellipse, the value of u is varying from 0 to 2 pi. And in a case of line, the value of u is varying from 0 to 1. So this is the parametric equation of the ellipse, parabola, hyperbola. It is enough for today's session. In next session, we will discuss about the synthetic curve, in which we will discuss what is meant by synthetic curve, what are the different types of the synthetic curve, and how we can represent the synthetic curve.